Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am here with your new chapter, chapter 12, time, and our topic for today is duration in 24-hour clock. And now today beta I will use timeline to find duration. See, here is question number 1. In question number 1, we are having starting time 1500, duration 1500 hours, duration 3 hours 20 minutes, and ending time we have to find out. Okay, and whenever beta you are starting to find out duration by the help of timeline, you have to draw the line, okay, and have to put the starting time over there because we are having starting time here. The starting time is 1500 hours and we have to reach till any time which you will find out. But if you are having duration with you, you can find out ending time. Okay, before this beta you should have, if the starting time is 1500 hours, then you have to check that we should cover first hours. Okay, 3 hours, 1500 hours till 1600 hours, you will have 1 hour. Then 1600 hour till 1700 hour will cover again 1 more hour. Then 1700 hour till 1800 hour will cover again 1 more hour. These will make 3 hours, which makes 3 hours. Then here after 1500 hours, when we will cover again see for 1600 hours, then 1700 hours, then 1800 hours. Okay, now see, 1 hour, 1 more hour, again 1 hour, then you will reach till 1800 hours. But 30 minutes are left. We also have to cover 30 minutes. Then see, if we cover 30 minutes more, then we will reach 1830 hours. Clear? And again see here the rough work. If we start from 1500 hours till 1600 hours, 1 hour, 1600 hours to 1700 hours, 1 more hour, 1700 hours to 1800 hours, 1 more hour will make 3 hours. Then if we go from 1800 hours to 1830, we will have 30 minutes. Okay, it is the method to find duration or final time or ending time. And now here we have our final answer, which is 1830 hours. Now see, question number 2. In question number 2, beta the case is different. Starting and ending time is given, but we have to find duration. Clear? Starting time is 955 hours, which we have given. Ending time is 1225 hours. And before starting beta, we can use rough work. Suppose we are starting, if we are starting from, you can use the pen. If we are starting from 955 hours, and beta we have to find duration. If we start from 955 hour till 1055 hour, it will take 1 hour. If we are going from 1055 till 1155, again 1 more hour. Then beta we cannot go from 1155 hour to 1255, because if we write 1255 hour, then it should be incorrect, because our ending time is 1225 hours. Okay, but it is more than this, more than end time. That's why beta we will not use this time. Okay, we will use 1155 till 1200 hours. 1155 hours till 1200 hours, which will cover 1500 5 minutes more. Then after 1200 hours and 1225 hours will cover 25 minutes more. Okay, now we'll put these all things on number line. On number line, now see 1055, 1055 hours, 1155 hours. Then here we should go till 1200 hours. Okay, now see 1 hour, 1 hour, but here covers only 5 minutes. Now after this it covers 25 minutes. Okay, but now we will add all these durations. Now see 1 hour plus 1 hour plus 5 minutes plus 25 minutes, then which makes equal to 2 hours and 30 minutes. Then beta, it is our answer of duration. Okay, then our duration should be what? Our duration should be 12 hours 30 minutes. Okay, our answer for duration is 12 hours 30 minutes. Now here's question number 3 beta. In this question the case is different. In the previous questions, in first question starting time and duration was given and ending time was to be find out, and in question number 2 starting time and ending time was given and duration was to be find out. But in this question number 3 starting time is not given. We have to find out starting time, only duration and ending time is given. Okay, that's why we have written ending time here at the end. It is ending time. But in this question we have to go reverse. We have to go reverse. Okay, now see, first of all we have to cover 2 hours. Okay, now see, whenever we cover 2 hours, first if we are going back, then we will subtract 1 hour. Okay, to make it 1210 hours. Again 1 more hour, because we are having 2 hours. 1 hour, it will make 1110 hours. Now hours are covered, we have to cover now minutes. Okay, but first of all we will cover 10 minutes. We'll subtract, not cover, we'll subtract 10 minutes to make 1100 hours. Then we'll subtract 5 minutes to make 1055 hours. Okay, it is our, we have found out the starting time here. Then starting time should be 1055 hours. Okay, but I have discussed 3 cases here, and it is about duration, and inshallah next time we will meet here, we will meet again with a new topic. Okay, Allah Hafiz.